Hey guys, welcome back to Kasiamae channel. It's Kasiamae here and I have another unboxing and it's from DIOR. I'm super excited. They sent me this package just recently, so I'd like to open it up. Now that I got it open, this is what the inside looks like. It's a very long DIOR box, so look how pretty. So this is the box that came in, and I am a loyalty program member. So it says that it is hands, lips, body. Look, we're just gonna open it up because I don't know what to say. Okay, so this is what came in the box, as you can see here. Good thing it wasn't breakable, but this is the bag and it comes with the lotion and the gloss. So let's go ahead and take out the bag, and this is what it looks like. Look how pretty. Wow. This is what the inside looks like. So, it's like a DIOR tote. It's really pretty. So, and this is everything that came in the box, which is the lotion and the color reviver lip balm. So thank you DIOR for the amazing gift. I love it being a part of the loyalty program. You get a lot of free gifts, and also when you get into the next level, you're able to get free shipping and be able to get free gifts. So I love it. I can't wait to take the bag on the cruise. And thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share. And I hope to unbox more stuff. See you guys next time.